Siwmai, gwion ydw i. Roedd yn aelod gychwynnol o Senedd Iechyd Cymru yn cynrychioli canol Caerdydd. Mae etholiadau'r Senedd ar y gweill ar y 7th o Fai, a mae'r Senedd mor bwysig i bobl ifanc yn gwneud penderfyniadau ar bopeth o iechyd i drafnidiaeth, a nawr mae'r oedran pleidleisio yn 16. Felly, can glywed gwestiynau o pobl ifanc i'r gwleidyddion a fydd yn gwneud penderfyniadau ar bopeth sydd o bwys i nhw. Siwmai, I'm Gwion. I was a member of the first Welsh Youth Parliament representing Cardiff Central. The Senedd elections are coming up on the 7th of May, and the Senedd is so important to young people making decisions on everything from health to transport, and the voting age for Senedd elections is 16. Now we're going to hear questions from young people to the politicians who will be making decisions on everything that will affect their lives. Yn aml mae'r system iechyd yng Nghymru yn canolbwyntio ar drin argyfyngau iechyd meddwl yn hytrach na'i hatal. Pa newidiadau hirdymor fyddech chi'n ei gwneud i gefnogi atal ac ymyrraeth gynnar? Often the health system in Wales focuses on treating mental health emergencies rather than preventing them. What long-term changes will you make to support prevention and early intervention?
Wel, mae hyn yn rhywbeth rili bwysig, felly byddwn ni yn cael lot fwy o bwyslais ar iechyd ataliol, a mae hynna'n golygu bod ni yn ceisio osgoi problemau rhag digwydd yn y lle cyntaf. Bydd gennym ni gweinidog dros iechyd ataliol, a mae pethau ataliol yn golygu pethau fel gwersi am ddim ar gyfer nofio i blant ysgol, sicrhau bod diwylliant a chwaraeon wrth galon ein sefyllfa iechyd ni hefyd. Felly, mae'n rhaid i ni, fel byddwn ni'n dweud yn Saesneg, think outside the box, mae'n rhaid i ni edrych yn greadigol ar hyn a meddwl nid dim ond am y nawr mewn amser, ond sut i wella pethau ar gyfer y dyfodol.
Reform would shift mental health policy further upstream. Our wider health approach is to reprioritise funding towards prevention, so the NHS is under less long-term pressure. In mental health, that means early support for children and young people, strengthening the links between schools and GPs and health visitors and community services, and making sure we have faster access before problems reach crisis point. The current Welsh Government already talks about prevention and joined-up service and support at the first point of need, but for too often delivery lags far behind the ambition. And reform's focus would be on measurable delivery, early identification, proper local access and accountability for results rather than endless strategy documents that don't achieve anything and don't really drive down our mental health crisis here in Wales.
For us, mental health should be treated with exactly the same urgency as physical health. That means making sure mental health services have the funding that they need. We would increase spending on mental health and wellbeing services in real terms every year so they can support both prevention and treatment. Transparency is also really important. We publish mental health waiting times and performance data for every single health board in Wales, so people can see clearly how services are performing. But prevention has to be a bigger focus too. We want to improve access to talking therapy so people can get help earlier rather than waiting until they reach crisis point. We're also concerned that the system relies too heavily on prescription medication, and we want to move towards earlier supports and perhaps more therapeutic care instead.
The Welsh Labour have been developing pilot projects across Wales to help young people find help, connect with others and spend time away from situations in their day-to-day lives which are stressful and emotionally difficult. There should be no wrong door for young people to knock on for support, which is why teachers are being trained in mental health awareness, and every school pupil in Wales has the right to access a counselling service. We would grow that easy access, making it easy to talk to someone, continue with the £1 bus fares, grow youth hubs, and access to nature and well-being.
So I think there's a couple of ideas here. The first is that the Welsh Liberal Democrats want to see a shift to preventative health. And I want more money to go into sports, into arts, into culture, because I think they are foundational to our ability to have a good emotional well-being and a good outlook on life. So accessing arts, museums, plays, music, but also the ability to play sports for free is fundamental in my view to every young person getting that opportunity to have a stable life and to have an outlook on the world. But I think the other thing is that I would like all schools, primary and secondary, to have what I'm calling a pastoral role, somebody who is just there just to work with the children and young people and students on pastoral issues so that they can ensure that they've got that early intervention and prevention from day one before it becomes a crisis.
Diolch i'r holl wleidyddion a ateb cwestiynau ar y pynciau llosg sydd o bwys I bobl ifanc. Cofiwch I bleidleisio ar y 7th of Mai ar gyfer etholiadau Senedd Cymru. Thank you to the politicians for answering questions on all the matters that affect young people. Remember to vote in the Welsh Parliament elections on the 7th of May.